Hi, my name is Zabo and I create upcycled fashion accessories. I mainly use tires and inner tubes because I really like this crazy material. Today I would like to speak about my sandals. These are the sandals, the shoe soles, and you can see that they are made out of car tires. The tires are new, but they are rejected, so it was a waste for the company. The upper is made out of fake leather with 4 loops on the side, and this is the best part of it because it means that you can create your own ribbons and change the style whenever you want. And now I use these flowery pink and green ribbons, and on the back there is like a long ribbon, so you can create the gladiator sandals. So what else you need? A chopstick. So the long ribbon goes through the back loops. Bam! So the trick with these sandals that you don't have to buy after like many different shoes and sandals, yellow, red or pink or whatever. You can create your own one. Imagine, for example, when you travel and you can just take one pair of socks with you, and in your bag you can bring even like 10 more pairs of different ribbons. Plus, you can sew a dress and make the same ribbon. You can create a hairband and match it with the ribbon. So you can wear even 4 different colors. So it literally takes 4 minutes. I think it's amazing. Changes, you pull out, it even takes less than the preparation and the next one. So this is a big bow. I like this. Now you can immediately start to wear them. Thank you very much for watching this video.
Catch, there you go. There you go. Have a little look at that
Well held.
Isn't it incredible?
That's awesome.
And while Cara's having a look, just tell us about the inspiration, because it was a certain person, wasn't it?
Yes,
Who changed your life,
actually
really?
3 years ago I moved to Tanzania, and one day when I was walking at the local Maasai market, I found some brightly painted sandals made out of car tires, and I just fell in love with this idea.
What an unbelievable idea.